Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yep, let's just get into it. We can see that right now Bitcoin and Ethereum are actually trying to hold support right here. We can see that Ethereum has come back down to the secondary support of the white line, as we can see right here. It initially did hold it on the first 4 hour. On the 1 hour, you could see that we tried to take a bounce up, but eventually we actually broke underneath it. Right now the bulls are trying to keep it above this level, trying to push back up. As we can see, lots of wicks down on the 1 hour. But ultimately, we could see that on the 4 hour we did get a red diamond there, and then on the daily time frame on Bitcoin we got an 18 now. So let's just see how this plays out. I personally don't think we are gonna go down to like 50,000, which some people are shouting out as price targets. I think we might get a strong bounce at the $62,900 level or 63,000. We got some wicks down from there, maybe some front running. Let's see if we're gonna come back up. We did get a breakdown from this triangle yesterday at 64,000, and I'm still in my long position. I think we have a good chance of going back to 66,000, but in the short term, on the short term, yeah, it looks like we could possibly be coming back to test this support at 63,000. If we do break the support, then we definitely still have a lot of support at 60,000 right here, right? 60,000 is very, very strong support, and then we have 57,000 if we even break below there. So 57 to 58 is gonna definitely hold. Or prove itself to be a strong support. And then we have this major trend line to take into consideration, because even though we do break down, we still have 62,200, which could actually be a huge indicator for a long right here. If we do hold that support, right, we could see that we did hold it multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like so many times. I think I've lost count. We could see all the touch points right here, right? I'll circle some of them so you can see we got some touch points right here, right there. Some of them did break down, but instantly bought back up, right? And we can see there's some wicks down, touch, and then so many, and then eventually we just shot up, right? So let's see if we're gonna come back down and test it again before maybe going back to the upside. And if we actually do break down, then we have supports at 59, 58, and then we can take a look at our secondary chart right here and see that we have much more support down there. And a good indicator also to see where we could be finding some support or buying pressure is take a look at the VPVR, right? On the shorter time frames, we could see that let's zoom this in a little bit there. We can see that 61,000, right? Lots of price traded there, so it's probably gonna be, you're probably gonna see some buy orders once we get to those levels. And let's just take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, a little bit of zoom out, and you can see that definitely 61,000 is going to prove to be some strong support. But even then, like you can see this bar right here, 62,175 is also going to be strong support as well. Also, I don't talk about these indicators enough, but the Bollinger Bands and then the Ichimoku Cloud are also very good indicators. So Ichimoku, you can see that this could be proving to be some support right here. On the 4 hour, you can see this little green cloud. So we can definitely bounce off of it and keep going back up to the upside like so. Right, that's just because we're touching it at the moment doesn't mean it's all doom and gloom, right? So entering some trades here, some longs is not a bad idea. So it's up to you. Definitely do your own research before you take any decisions for some trades. This is not financial advice. And yeah, weekly time frame still looking pretty good, and monthly time frame looking great. All in all, I think we're gonna make some of the all-time highs this month. And yeah. But if we do end up breaking down, then yeah, it should be some cause for concern if we do break these support levels right here. Okay. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.